Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be talking about ALBT and what Alliance Block has to offer and a little bit of the updates that happened in the last couple weeks with Alliance Block. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. That does help me grow the channel. Trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year. With your help, I can get there. So thank you so much. A lot of people don't have any idea what ALBT is. So let's just go ahead and take a look at some of just the key details here, what ALBT is here from CoinMarket. So the live Alliance Block price, no, we don't need that. No, here, let's just go to the website. I thought they usually have a gist of what it is on the website there, but it doesn't look like they do. So here's a little video that explains what Alliance Block is. Let's just go ahead and watch this and get into the rest.
As decentralized finance emerges rapidly, traditional finance institutions are only watching from the sidelines, unable to participate in the massive innovations, mainly due to compliance and regulatory restrictions. The question has become how to connect traditional finance markets with the decentralized and digital asset markets in order to allow a seamless and compliant flow of capital between both worlds. At Alliance Block, we aim to bridge traditional finance and DeFi to add value to both areas and therefore create the future of finance. The Alliance Block protocol will help financial institutions eliminate inefficiencies and take advantage of the potential of DeFi. We will enable much greater access to DeFi products, which will see billions of dollars flow into the space. In doing so, we will unlock DeFi for the world. We are building the protocol as a series of interconnecting but independent modules. These modules will combine to form the Alliance Block protocol, but can also operate as standalone products. The initial product set includes 7 products. One of these products is our trustless Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering identity verification.
KYC and AML is a must in some of these newer technologies, guys. They have to have these KYC and anti-money laundering. If not, they wouldn't be compliant with regulations around the world. And that's why you see a lot of these working on AML and KYC.
Module. This will allow users to prove their identity in a trustless manner, while also giving them control of their data. This module feeds into our cross-border regulatory compliance rule engine, another module. Once verified, users can share their data across the wider Alliance Block protocol and start using the product while being compliant with the regulations in different jurisdictions. This includes products such as our compliant peer-to-peer lending, borrowing, and investment protocol, which will allow the likes of wealth managers to digitize real-world assets and have investors lend against them. It will also feed into our DeFi investment terminal, which will give users access in real-time, granular, and actionable blockchain data, and aims to be the DeFi Bloomberg terminal. Our data tunnel module will make it easy for anyone to publish, monetize, use, and analyze data. Our pricing engine will provide derivatives and structured product pricing and cutting-edge risk analytics. This will be able to, for example, solve the risk of impermanent loss for liquidity providers. It will be open to all DeFi liquidity mining programs. All of our products rely on data, and our final module is our on-chain investment data API. Our API will house both on-chain data from multiple blockchains, as well as data from specialist providers. This can be used by DeFi partners such as Parsec, Chainlink, and API3, as well as traditional firms aiming to build new, innovative trading algorithms. These first 7 modules represent the foundations of the Alliance Block ecosystem and a fully decentralized, globally compliant capital market, which will allow both traditional finance and decentralized finance players to connect, interact, and eventually ensure a flawless capital flow between both worlds.
It's a great video, guys. It explains it's really about big data and connecting DeFi and DeFi together. And the coolest thing about this, guys, is traditionally you go to a bank to get a loan. In the future, right, if you have so many tokens, whether it's XRP, LBT, whatever, and it's DeFi, right, decentralized finance, you can actually loan out your tokens or your collateral to other people and start earning interest on that. Basically, you can become your own bank and earn passive income just allowing people to use your funds, right? And so you can get collateral and do all the other things with that, but it's really a cool future that we're going into, and it allows people like me and you to actually become our own banks, right? So that's pretty fun. I'm overjoyed that ALBT has finally released their TIDV. Alliance Block compliance will now play a significant role in the future of digital assets, creating smooth gateways into DeFi. Congratulations on a significant accomplishment. So you have Alliance Block Trusted Identity Verification, TIDV, is officially live. here's everything you need to know. So I'm not going to get into everything you need to know, guys, but just know that ALBT is making great headwinds. They are doing a fantastic job, and this is definitely one of my top 10, 11 projects that I do hold. A layer 2 decentralized blockchain neutral bridge between traditional DeFi and is ALBT. All digital assets are now easily available to all, investable, bankable, and fungible. So you have Alliance Block Protocol, you have Uni, Balancer, you have some of the DEXs here, ABD, Alliance Block DEX here, Token Stability, DeFi Terminal Liquidity Manager, Data Tunnel, Standardized Data Management, you have Polygon, BNB, Ethereum, Avalanche, Energy Web, and Moonbeam. You have funders, capital raising, and Alliance Bridge, multi-chain interoperability, right? The biggest thing in the future is interoperability, bridges, right? Wanchain, there's a lot of other ones that are like that, but Wanchain is in my top 10. November 2022, with a turbulent month, Alliance Block's monthly newsletter just dropped. Alliance Block funders first listing is duo.com went live recently, and crypto-focused media outlets commented. Discover what they said in a thread below. So let's see what here. So funders create a fair, transparent, and particular economy that champions reputation and merit. Let's see what Alliance Block has facilitated: a seamless gateway between traditional and decentralized finance by creating end-to-end development infrastructure. It's all about infrastructure, guys, the plumbing. And then CoinMarketCap highlighted how Alliance Block is now bridging the gap between TradFi and DeFi. Focus on funders democratizing access to investments. The funding round in the duo creates a transparent, fair, and equal opportunity for users to participate, right? So it's all about an equal playing field for all of us, okay? And I do like this by Gildan Coin. Here's his favorite coins to research for potential 100 to 1,000x gains, ranging from a 3 million to 75 million market cap. You have AVT, LCX. I do hold some LCX, and then you have ALBT right here. Then Cody's a strong project. I know Cody, and there's some other ones I don't know specifically, but check this out. This is more about like on the quant side of things, but everything is connected here through Overledger, and then you have Hyperledger here too from Ripple. Less water for the overridger. You have all of these companies, right, and these organizations all are going to be flowing through Quant and some of these ALBT. You have R3 Corda. It is really powerful. It's being built out right now, and if you're not paying attention to all of this stuff, you're going to miss the train on all of this, guys. And then here's a great things from XX_1133_1221_11. Really would want to know why is this a code for something? But here you go. Alliance Block Protocol, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. Got some great information here. ALBT, medium of exchange, means of reward, network fee, staking, and token burn. So here's the utility for the Alliance Block token. So there's a lot here. It's not just like the FTT token where they print it out of thin air and says, yeah, that has real value. No, this is actually something that does have real value and is being used. And then you have, here's all the connections to it, right? So here's Quant and Overledger. You have Orion. You have the Flare network community, which is the DeFi arm of the XRPL, which is coming as soon as this lawsuit is over. I'm sure that'll drop. You have Hedera. You have Ocean, API 3 connected to a Chainlink, and HoloChain. So a lot of great partnerships in the ecosystem for Alliance Block. And then here, Alliance Block is on the path to disrupt a $100 trillion securities market with state-of-the-art, globally compliant, decentralized capital market of the London Stock Exchange. So the value in these tokens and these assets right now, guys, is incredible. It's so people don't have any idea that most of this technology is being built out. And this is what we're going to be using over the next 20, 30, 40, 50, maybe even 100 years. Right? We don't know, but this is the future, guys. And you really want to get as much understanding of it as you can, because then you can make good investments for yourself. Obviously, nothing I say is ever financial advice. This is just my path and my journey and the tokens that I'm buying and keeping an eye on for myself and my community. I hope you learned something today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Peace.